What happened to the NBA the last 10, 20 years? The NBA viewership is down 48% the last 12 years. I no longer watch the NBA. Okay, to me, they've lost me as a fan.
I feel like that the game changed. It became more of a perimeter shooter game. And I remember right when I was leaving the game, early 2000, that the league promoted more scoring. They wanted to get more points up on the board. They felt like that would get the fans more engaged.
Tail end of your career.
Yes.
Okay, I got it.
So it started looking more like a game built for offensive players, guys that did play defense and, took pride in playing defense, were to some degree punished, I felt like, because everything was working in favor of the offensive player, and a lot of things changing within the game, and a lot of that got wiped away. And I think that's where a lot of the fans lost interest.